If you've ever wanted a cool, personalized signature, here's how to create one that really stands out. Start by writing your name in different styles, try cursive, print, or a mix, and see what feels most natural. Play around with the first letters of your name, maybe making them larger or more decorative. Then, add some flair, a swirl, a line underneath, or even a small symbol that feels like you. The key is to keep it simple enough to sign quickly, but unique enough to be memorable. Once you find a style you love, practice it until it flows smoothly every time. Think of your signature as your personal logo. It should be easy, stylish, and totally original.